I always thought I was the angel of love, heavenly. They never saw me coming, but I was always present in their lives. Beautiful, we grow, strong, powerful. We create others out of it. We reproduce ourselves, multiply. Love is the most powerful tool the world will ever have. I don't want to win the whole world without love on my side. We go through up and downs, but we still stand. This is love. I could quote the Holy Scriptures, and they would say, love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no records of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil but rejoice with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. What is love? Love is the truth. Love is who we are. Love is what I see in your eyes, in the world. Love is everything in us. We're made of love. Communicate love. Love is God in us. As we want to change the world, let's choose love. Africa. Let's do the right thing. Unbreakable love. Amazing love.